I will show you how you can generate unlimited videos using this amazing platform. What you need to do is to watch this video to the end. Most of the platform works perfectly both on your mobile phone and your PC. So I'm going to start with all the platforms using mobile phone. So guys, stick around with me as we explore this platform together. And all of these do not require any credit card or subscriptions. What you need to do is just go ahead and like the video and smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, without much ado, let's get started. Let's explore this particular website together. Okay, we're going to generate something, just a little thing, and then we move to the next one. All right, so we are going to go ahead and type in this Dolar AI. Okay, now if you want a full tutorial on how you can use this platform, I've made a video about it. It's already uploaded on my channel, so I'm going to leave the link also in the description of this video so that you can explore this platform to the fullest. Okay, so let's dive into it using our mobile phone, and then we move to the next one. This one offers you every day you have access to 5 video generation every single day. Every single day you sign into this platform, log in and start generating five video generation every single day. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and come to where I have AI creation. Click on this and it's going to open up to this interface, right? Switch to video. Awesome. I'm going to type a simple prompt. Okay, just a simple prompt, and the prompt is this: 2 female characters playing basketball. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Seedance 2.0 is already listed, and then I can select this and choose this to 5 seconds or 10 seconds. So I'm going to leave it at 10 seconds. All right, then I'm going to move on to select my aspect ratio. I'm going to move on to select my aspect ratio to 16:9. That is the landscape. Okay, then I'm going to hit generate. Now if you want, I have not logged in, but you can literally log in so they can explore more generation. Sometimes when you create just one, the next one will require that you have to log in. So this is it. So it is loading. I will create 16:9. So I'm going to show you the final result. So this is this platform, number 1 platform on the list. So if you look up here, you're going to see 4 points left, meaning that it's 5 generation every single login. I'm going to show you how you can use the incognito mode if you are using this platform to generate. Okay, and guys, our video is live, so let's play this. So you can click on this top button, okay, this blue sign, to download it from here. See this down button, download it from here. Awesome. So this is Dollar platform. You can use it to generate unlimited 5 videos every single day, and you can see the quality. It's amazing and it's incredible. Now for you to access this platform in the incognito mode, like I said before, you need to come to this 3 dots, where you have these 3 dots at the top right, at the top corner of your phone, right? Just click on these 3 dots. You're going to see new incognito tab. You click on it. Once you click on it, to open up to this interface. Okay, right. So you're going to go ahead and start typing. Okay, type the name of the platform, Dollar AI, and it will open. So this is how you are going to use to generate unlimited. Go ahead and accept all. The same way that you use it on your PC, it works the same way here. It doesn't need any login details. It gives you the same output, like the same number of generation, 5 generation every single day. So you can literally use this platform and use it this way to generate your videos unlimited. So guys, this is it. Let me know what you think about this number 1 platform in the comment section of this video. Without much ado, let's head over to the next AI platform that I can use to generate unlimited videos and images and animate them for free. All right, now for you to close this incognito type, go back again to the 3 dots, and you're going to see, click on here, click on this sign here, and you will see these 3 icons here. The first one is your original tab, the second one is the incognito tab, and the last one is your entire menu. So if you want to close this incognito tab, you need to just switch it to your normal tab and it will switch. That is how you can switch, so you don't get confused at this point. Okay, so the next AI tool we want to explore using our mobile phone is this Chinese AI platform. So you're going to type in this AI Studio, this second one, AI Studio Tencent. Okay, now let's open it. It's a Chinese platform. Now let's watch what the platform looks like and how we can use it to explore. okay, our creation. And this offers you also unlimited video creation. You want to animate your videos, so you can generate your voiceovers using other voiceovers. This one is purely for animation. You want to animate your videos after generating your, so you can translate this to English because it's in Chinese. Okay, go ahead and click this translate. Once you click this translate, so switch it to desktop mode. Always don't forget to switch, then translate it. Once you switch to desktop mode, you can translate it to English language, okay, to your language. Do you understand? So for me, it's English language. So I'm done translating. I can close that tab, then go ahead and click this login details, our email. So we are going to use our email, where you are going to type in your email address. They will send a verification code, get verification code. So once you type in your email, you are going to click on that get verification code. Your verification code will be in your inbox, okay? So you're going to go ahead and you are logged in. So the moment you enter that code, you'll be locked in automatically. If you look at it, we are locked in as the language is still in Chinese, right? Chinese language. So we need to translate it to English. So you just toggle this to English. You can see that, and everything will be changed to English language. So the moment you are done, we are going to go ahead and let me zoom in so you see multi-model experience. So we are going to open this so that you can see other models on the platform. So you can see we have model exploration, where you see other models on the platform. This is amazing, guys. We have all these models on this platform, so you can go ahead and explore this. So once you are done generating, where you're going to see all your generation will be under this history, okay? Once you generate, you're going to see everything will be under this history here. To select your model, where you have this plus sign, this is already okay. The current model is yes, and the resolution, we have all these resolutions, so you can select the resolution of your choice. And if you have the prompt, you can go ahead and paste your prompt. So let me bring up an image and generate so that I can see the quality of the app. I'm going to just drop a simple prompt just for illustration, okay? So you go ahead and you know prompt enhancer is already on. So if you want the platform to enhance your prompt, you can go ahead and do that. So once you are done with everything, go down here, you're going to see generate now. So this generate now, you click on it and it will start generating. So guys, that started generating. Look at it loading, right? Everything using the model. So you're going to see the quality on this platform. Do you understand? So this is how you use this platform. And this is our number 2 in the list. So we are going to be moving to the next platform we'll be using to generate unlimited videos. Awesome. This is just animation. It's for animation only. Okay. Now, if you want to animate it, just like Meta AI, okay, you want to animate your images, for your like for your voiceovers, okay, you use this platform, animate it. Just this watermark, you need to take it to your editing platform and edit it out, okay. You can see the quality of the image, very beautiful and very sharp and clear, okay, and this is amazing. So you can literally, click this download button and download it to your mobile phone or to your PC. Anyone works, okay. So now I'm going to, you can give any prompt for your animation. Remember, I didn't have any prompt, I was just giving some random prompt, so I just had to, do you understand, wanted it to move for you to see how the quality of the video looks like. So you can think about using this platform, okay. Now this is our number 2 platform, so you can go ahead and generate for free, unlimited for now. Is still the last tool I'll be sharing with you in this video. This platform, a lot of you are still sleeping on it, and a lot of people are still saying it's not working, and a lot of people are still generating videos with it. So guys, let me show you using your mobile phone. Remember, all this are with your mobile phone. So guys, let's go. So I'm going to go ahead and type here Vio AI free 2. All the links to this platform are available in the description of this video. So feel free to explore them even as I am sharing with you. Okay. Now this platform does not require card, no subscription, nothing. Just create your video. But it has a daily limit. Okay. Every day it has a daily limit. So keep generating until when you hit the wall of, hey, you've exhausted your video creation for today. Then come back again the next day. Do you understand? But while you are still having the time and while it is still free, generate use it and use it and use it. Okay, guys, let's watch and see what is going to happen. And this platform gives you access to Seedance 2.0, GROK AI, and your 3.1 and other top models too. You can use advanced editor. Close here. Always set your phone to desktop site. Very important. So once you click on that advanced editor, it will give you access to your other top models which will be seen in this video. Okay, now for the first one we are going to be using is, you can see we have video 3.1, we have photo to video, we have Seedance 2, we have text to speech, we have AI video generators, and we have all image generators. So if you want to know more, want to see all the AI video generators, go ahead and click this all AI video generators, and you're going to see all of these. You see this, you can see GROK AI is here, right? And Seedance 2.0 video is here, and we have viral YouTube shorts, we have Instagram video generator, we have Facebook Reel, we have TikTok video generator. So you can select any one of your choice and use. So let's go ahead and use Seedance 2.0 for this. So click on this see more. Once you click on that see more, it will open you up into the interface automatically, okay, to take you there, and you start generating. So if you have your prompt, for me, I don't have any prompt. I'm going to just write a simple thing and then enhance it with the platform and generate. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and type my prompts. I mean, we also have prompt generator anyway, so let's use the prompt generator to generate our prompt so that we can use it in this video. Okay, I'm going to say okay, so I've given just a simple prompt. Let's see, my prompt is kind of funny, but I want to illustrate something, so you use it to generate your videos. Okay, go ahead and generate prompt. So I've given my idea, simple idea, and it has generated me this prompt that you are seeing here. A confident young woman in her mid-30s, dress. Just I gave a simple prompt, just as it was in my head. Okay, so I can go ahead and copy this, select everything, and cut. Either you copy it or you cut it, any which way works. All right, so head over to video generator. Just switch it from here to video generator, and then let's paste our prompt. Okay, awesome. So that is not done, like you are not done with it. So for us to get our settings, you're going to see you can either enhance it, but I mean it's already done. So I'm going to go ahead and select my aspect ratio and all of those things. So for us to select our aspect ratio, we are going to click on this other sign that's like, that sign, right? Then select your aspect ratio, landscape or portrait. Then how many do you want to generate? Okay, number of video variations. So I prefer one. I don't want to waste credit. Okay, now the model is simple, Seedance 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate, and it will start generating here. So like I said, this platform as of today is still very free and it's 100%. And guys, you can see I have not logged in, right? I just generated. So it's two ways. You can choose to log in and you can choose not to log in. It's your choice. My video is ready. So we are going to play it, and it gives me 8 seconds long video. So let's go ahead and play this. Let's see the output, the
Excuse
quality
me,
of the
miss.
video.
Yes.
I know this is a bit forward, but could I maybe get a kiss?
So guys, if you watched it this time, thank you so much, and I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. And guys, don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you'll be the next to be notified. See you in the next one.